In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to delete files in your GitHub repository. This is a straightforward process that helps you remove unnecessary files and keep your projects organized. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, look at the left panel where you'll find a list of your repositories. Click on the repository that contains the file you want to delete. Once you're inside the repository, locate the file you want to remove and click on its name to open it. Before deleting the file, make sure you've selected the correct one. Once the file is open, look toward the upper right corner of the page. Click on the three-dot menu to open the available options. From the menu, select Delete File. GitHub will now show you the changes that will be made. Scroll down to the Commit section and click Commit Changes. A confirmation option may appear. Review the change and click Commit Changes again to finalize the deletion. GitHub will record the deletion as a commit and the file will be removed from the current version of your repository. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a file from your GitHub repository. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.